Left blinker, left turn, seatbelt, window up. Hi, I'm Steve Watson. This is today's Tàijíquán Tip. I'm here in Madison, Connecticut, one town away from our hometown of Killingworth. And today's Tàijíquán Tip is to be practicing what you practice. Go where you're going. You start where you start. Go as you go and arrive where you arrive. That's what a form is like. Same thing as driving somewhere. You follow the directions, follow the rules of the road. Might could expect that you get where you intend to go, but if you happen to arrive at a place that's especially fun, that you really enjoy along the way, maybe just repeat that bit, linger a bit, so if you're driving from point to point, place to place, byway to byway, and you happen to find yourself in a traffic circle, and you like traffic circles, maybe just go around that there traffic circle a few more times before pressing on, because your goal was never your goal, it was your process, and that is your practice. So enjoy those traffic circles in your form. Thank you very much.
Thank you for supporting me. This is my Linktree page, and this is Tàijíquán Tips, because tips really help me stay alive. Thank you very much. Do stay in touch and comment and share.